It is a well-known fact that if a force is applied at the lower end of a vertically suspended helical spring, it extends in length. As the applied force is removed, the helical spring regains its original length, provided it is not stretched beyond its elastic limit. This regaining of the original length is due to the setting up of a restoring force within the spring. The direction of the restoring force is opposite to that of the applied force and is directly proportional to the extension produced. Record the reading of the pointer when no weight is suspended from the hook at the lower end of the spring. Now, regularly add the slotted weight on the hanger and note the reading of the pointer in each case. Unload the slotted weights in the same order and note the reading of the pointer. If F is the restoring force developed and X is the extension produced, then F is directly proportional to X, or F is equal to minus Kx, where K is the force constant whose SI unit is Newton per meter. If the graph is plotted between the weight added on hanger and extension in spring, a straight line is obtained as shown here.